Time to remove the clips, prep all of these grout joints, and let's grout this shower. It's going to be the same color grout for the walls as this shower pan. Let's have a grout party. We will be installing two of these Schluter corner E-shells. One right at the grout joint that lands below the niche, and a second 12 inches up for shaving. We picked out a matte white. Let's open it up, install. We're going to install in soft, recently grouted tile. And then tomorrow we'll come back, prep, wipe down the shower, and silicone around the E-shelf. Let's install. Here it is, matte white. Goes well with this white Carrara shower. And again, we're going to install at this grout joint here. Okay, we're installing the second shelf for shaving. Again, we simply run a bead of silicone here, which we'll be using platinum to match the grout joints here. All right guys, time to run our silicone. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our shower remodel is complete. It looks beautiful, super clean, subtle veins and movement in this Carrara. We're very excited about how this turned out. Our client is very happy as well. Let's walk you through what we installed. Our responsibility was mainly this shower. We installed a new mirror, painted the bathroom. Let's take a look. We have beautiful barn-style soft close doors. Let's quickly show you here. I love that feature. Let's open up these doors. Small low profile curb. We'll start with the field wall tile, 12 by 24, non-rectified matte white Carrara. 50% offset, fulls at the bottom, fulls bottom of the niche, and fulls at the top of the shower. Layout is always key. We installed two E-shelves, matte white, one for your foot, one for bar soap. Beautiful 12 by 20 niche. Trimmed out with Schluter Jolly clean type miters at all four corners. Of course, a new valve raised the shower head. We have a hex pan tile, porcelain. Everything is symmetrical, it looks very clean. This is a Schluter shower. Everything behind this tile is Schluter board, Schluter tray, and Schluter drain grate. Again, as you can see there, symmetrical cuts around that grate, Super clean shower. As per usual, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button down there if you want to see future videos like this, and smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.